Hey EasyAgentProers, today we're going to be going over the Contact Me app. Now, just as it is important for your site to get traffic and visitors, it's equally important for them to have a way to get in touch with you, which is why there's ample opportunity for them to do so. Now, there's going to be three main sections that they can do this on, all three of which you can actually control from the Contact Me app. One of them being this actual Contact Me form down here on your site's headshot in the bottom right hand corner, this little icon here, which they can fill out their information and submit it to get in touch with you. Another one being the contact page, which we can go to now, and you can kind of see here, just gives them your information, and then they can leave their information and a message as well. And then the last being the schedule a call page, which is just like the contact page. The only difference here is that they can actually specify a time that's best for them for you to get in touch with them. So what we'll want to do to change all these settings, if you need, is to go into your site's dashboard, go into the apps tab, and then we'll go to the Contact Me app here. And once this is loaded, you'll see here there's going to be two tabs. The first one being the templates section here. So here, this is going to be the templates for those three sections that we talked about. This icon, this contact form, contact page, and schedule a call page. So you can see here to control the actual form that pops up on that chat icon. This is where you change that here, and you'll see here there's four different ones. So there's two different kind of layouts here, and then this one is going to be for our LeadSites Plus exclusive subscribers. If you're one of those, you can use that. And the fourth one will be actually transforming it into just connecting to your Facebook Messenger. So instead of them sending you a message on this, it will actually give them the option to send you a message through Facebook Messenger on that. So very helpful if you want to do that, and I'll show you how to set that up here in a moment. You'll need to connect to your Facebook business page. Next being the tab templates, where this just changes what it looks like. So you can change this to kind of a sidebar tab. Right now you see we just have it as a just a little icon here with your headshot. So we'll just keep that the same. And then the contact page and schedule call page, we only have one template available for both of these, so we'll just keep that the same. And next up, we'll go to settings. So here, this is going to be, let me just actually go back to the home page here. This is going to be where you change what's in that form here. So pull this up, you'll see how it says, have any questions, write a message below, and then submit. And you can change all of those three things from here. Next, form type. This is just going to be where you specify how much information you want your users to provide to submit the form. So you can require the social sign-ins. You can make it to where there's no social sign-ins. You can do it to where it's only email if you want to increase your opt-in conversions there. So you can kind of mess around with that. We generally just prefer, recommend keeping it to the full form here. You also have the wildcard field section. This is helpful, especially if you want them to include anything that isn't already on those forms. So for example, if you wanted them to include their address, you would just specify that here, and then it would include that field on this form. Next up, we will go to the tab text. This will just be whenever you hover over this where it says, let's talk real estate. That's what shows here. So you just change that there, and then it'll change that there. Next up would be Facebook. Now this is what I was talking about earlier, where you have the option to connect Facebook Messenger instead of having a contact form here. You can do that, but you'll need to include your Facebook business page URL right here. So once you provide that, then this template will be available. So you can provide that. Next, pass. Now this is helpful if you haven't already. Check out some of our past articles and videos showing you how to connect this, and then you can make it to where whenever people opt into this, it will just feed directly into your pass connected with whichever CRM you connected in your pass app, whether it be Follow Up Boss or Boomtown or anything of that sort. Next up, this is just going to be where you can turn the app off, or you can restrict it to only desktop users by turning it off on mobile. So pretty straightforward here. And then here, this is going to be the contact page and schedule call page. So let's just go over there. So in your contact page, you'll see here, so it says, let's talk real estate. We're happy to help you with any questions, yada, yada, right there. So that's where you can, this is where you change all this. Slug link, this will just be kind of the URL to that page. Send my button text here, so you can change that there. Success message, this will just be after they submit that, whatever page pops up and the text it'll say there. So thank you for your time today. This will be the redirect URL. So right now we have it set that whenever they fill out their information here and they click send my message, it will take them to the home page. So you can specify if you wanted this to take them to the testimonials page or something, for example, you can specify that URL here and take them to that page instead. This is just for SEO reasons here, the contact page, and then kind of a basic description what it's about for SEO reasons here. And then the schedule call page is going to be the exact same kind of process here. So this is how you use the Contact Me app. Very simple to use. Let us know if you have any questions. You can always send us an email to support@easyagentpro.com, and best of luck to you.